In 2010, a 7-year-old boy named A.J. Hutto became a star witness in a Florida courtroom. The trial's outcome would determine the fate of his mother, Amanda Lewis. This tragic case split their family and left a community wondering whether the boy's testimony could be believed. In this video, we will dive deeper into the story of what happened to AJ's half-sister, Adriana, and the events that led up to the courtroom drama. Amanda Lewis was a single mother living in Hutto, Florida, with her 2 children, AJ and Adriana. On August 8, 2007, the family's lives changed forever. Lewis, a nurse's assistant, had just come off a night shift and was napping when the kids watched cartoons. Later that day, the family planned to shop for school supplies, but the kids wanted to swim in their above-ground pool in the yard. The pool was off-limits without adult supervision, and the ladder was locked in the shed. AJ returned to the house and told his mother that Adriana was in the pool. At first, Lewis thought her daughter was just by the pool, but when she went outside, she saw AJ frantically raking his hand in the water as if he was trying to grab his sister. When she got to the pool, Adriana was face down, very purple and very blue. Lewis gave her CPR and called 911. Adriana was airlifted to the nearest hospital, where she was pronounced dead. At first, the authorities thought Adriana's death was an accident. There were no indicators of foul play, and Fire Chief Charles Corcoran believed she had fallen into the pool and hit her head. But the police received news that would change everything. AJ had a different story. In a videotaped interview, he told the police that his mother had dunked Adriana repeatedly in the pool, drowning her.
What is this right here? Who is this, or what is this?
My mama.
Okay. And what is she doing?
Killing my sister.
AJ's testimony in court was critical in deciding his mother's fate. Lewis and AJ had not seen each other in 6 months before the trial, and he did not recognize her at first. Once he did, he broke down crying, and Lewis did too. Lewis's attorney questioned the reliability of AJ's testimony and whether he was too young to understand what he was saying. Ultimately, the jury found Lewis guilty of third-degree murder and sentenced her to 25 years in prison. The tragedy of what happened to Adriana is a cautionary tale about pool safety and the importance of supervision. It also highlights the complexity of relying on a child's testimony in a courtroom. AJ's testimony would determine his mother's fate, and despite questions about his age and reliability, the jury found her guilty. The story of A.J. Hutto and his half-sister's tragic death is a reminder that the truth is not always easy to discern, especially when it comes from the mouth of a child.